O'Loughlin. I'm a concertina player from a small village in County Clare called Corifin, and Corifin is situated just 5 miles outside the Burn, which you might have heard of before. Corifin is very well known for music and very well known musicians, and each March there is a music festival held here in Corifin called the Corifin Traditional Festival, and it's a great festival for musicians from around the country to play tunes, and there's always great workshops and concerts as well. Corifin is also situated very close to Kilfenora, which is well known for the Kilfenora Céilí band, which you also might have heard of. So there's loads of music around the area. I come from a musical family. My mother plays the button accordion, and I have 2 brothers that also play music. One plays the flute and another plays the banjo, and my cousins also play music, the Healy brothers, who are also from Corifin. I started playing the concertina when I was 8 years old. My cousin Hugh Healy plays the concertina, and I would have heard him play a lot of music at house gatherings and at different festivals and stuff, and I just loved the sound of it. So I started off on the tin whistle for 6 or 7 months and then moved on to the concertina. And Hugh taught me the first few lessons. He gave me the basic starters, and then I started attending classes with Noel Hill in Ennis. So I went to classes with Noel for 3 or 4 years, and then started with Tim Collins. And Tim Collins is a great concertina player from West Limerick, and living in Clare now. So I went to Tim for 7 or 8 years, and got loads of great tips from all my tutors, and got great inspiration from them all. I also would have attended music festivals around the country, such as Willie Clancy Summer School, and had great tutors there also. So after that then I decided, because I love traditional music so much, I decided to study it in 3rd level. So for 4 years I attended the Irish World Academy in the University of Limerick, where I gained a degree in music, in traditional music. It was a performance-based course, so we were playing music every single day. My concertina tutor was Tommy Fitzharris, a great flute player as well, and concertina player. So yeah, I was there for 4 years, and graduated from there last year. So while I was there, met great friends, and formed a band, and we travelled the world. We did tours in America, Europe. Actually, when COVID started, we were in the middle of a tour in Austria, so we had to fly home early out of that. We were called the Conifers, and we brought out our debut album in 2019. So we were touring with that album for 2 years. So in this course, I hope to give you the very basics of the concertina, get to know the notes and how the concertina works, and bring on a musical journey for you to be able to play your first tune. And when you've a really solid basis of the concertina, you can carry on to the next beginner's course.